Hi, it's Pekka from Logbullet and welcome to my workshop. So over here actually I have a Megamax front frame and over here I have a Megamax rear cross member, I suppose the name. This is heavy duty. So now it's like Megamax is in the big boys club. I had actually pretty good April and May in sales. So at the moment my order book looks nice, and actually over there is Megamax rear frame and the wood holding area. And so things are coming slowly. So I had pretty good April and May, and so I did get machines sold, and at the moment I should manufacture those. I did just deliver yesterday one machine, and over here actually I have next ones. I will take these Monday to paint shop. So these are, there is also one frame. So this is the style how we do. So 2 machines, and after that I take those to paint shop. Then they will paint, I will assemble. Big news for my side is that I did purchase share from one of my supplier, so called Teho Koneistus. It's about 300 kilometers from here, so not in the neighborhood. They have been machining components for me, so all of my turned and machined components, so this is made in Teho Koneistus. So I purchased share from that company because I have been now working with Logbullets about 10 years. So my working history is actually I got master degree in engineering, and then I was working 10 years in mechanical industry in a relatively big Finnish stock exchange company. I was developing production, and I was also production manager, that kind of task. And I was doing that about 10 years. Then I decided that okay, now I will develop Logbullet, and then I have been over here. This has been in some degree hobby to me. Nowadays it's a little too big actually to be a hobby, so it's like it's not anymore so hobby style. But anyway, I have been over here, I have been assembling, and then welding, and then I have over here I have my assembly, and so that has been my work routine. Now things are changed because I think that I have to now move forward in some degree. So I decided to purchase that share from that company, and I will actually have next week already over here welder from there. So these components I have prepared over here. So he will come over here and weld these. So it's like product training in some degree to learn what kind of components we have in Logbullets and what is the use and assembly and that kind of stuff. And then I will have more and more outsourcing in Teho Koneistus. That is the name of the company. I will have over there. Actually, if you guys need hydraulic manifolds and that kind of stuff, so Teho Koneistus is actually pretty good. So if you need some components that are easy to, not huge steel components because those are nasty to transport, but smaller ones, actually it might be a good source for you also. Yeah, but anyway, so I will have over here next week welder, and we will have product training, welding and training what kind of components. I did already order components for my current planks, so bended steel. So components which look like this. So we don't have in Teho Koneistus, we don't have laser cutting or bending, so I will use the current supplier, and I will also personally take of course care that everything goes fine. And then I will have some components, like first components already over there. I will personally also of course go over there and check that everything goes good. Then those components will come over here. I will final weld from those components something, make sure that all the quality is good. Then I will take those to paint shop and assemble. Then in the next step, my plan is actually that then taking that kind of steel structures ready, more and more slowly. Not like everything in the one time, because that would destroy quality and everything. So slowly training, spending hours, spending money. It's actually pretty expensive to have welder from 300 kilometers 1 week over here. Yeah, but that is my problem, not your problem. Because the idea is to help my long-term working. So in the long term, I will have then better situation, and of course then when you will order Logbullet, there is like bigger, there is actually 300 square meters and about 20 workers, so it's relatively big, or it's a medium size in Finland. So more power, so I will have like better flow of the Logbullets. So when somebody orders, those should come more smoothly out, and I can then also take care more of the customer relations, because at the moment my dream has been that to visit some of you guys and travel, and at the moment I don't have any hope, because I have to weld, I have to assemble, I have to deliver, I have to develop new machine, I have to do everything like that, so I'm just running out of the time. So I decided that okay, I have to do something, and something was that purchasing share from my supplier, then I will have welding from there. Next I will anyway have like sometime over here assembly to make sure that all the components are fine. Then I will actually go over there and make sure that, because the product quality is big thing for me. I want that my customers are happy, and that's why I'm making this slowly and with good training. And yeah, actually my background is that because I have been, in my previous life, I have been doing this kind of stuff, so this is at the moment strange for me, because at the same time I'm like giving up from something that for my hobby. I really love like welding bogies, and now there will be, I did order a batch of the bogies over there, and somebody else will be welding those. So that is mentally, so I'm like, but at the same time I'm planning how to develop the tehokoneistus and doing that kind of stuff. So it's like there is all the nice things, and of course like I'm thinking all the time like, yeah, but I will survive, and I think this change is just good for Logbullets, and this is something must for the Logbullets to keep my customers happy, and like, yeah, that is that kind of news. So next week I will be assembling over here and welder training, and then I will be actually doing marketing for the tehokoneistus. That is my task over there, and more production there. Then I will assemble machines over here, because that is like how I can make sure that everything goes perfect. After all the components are 100% perfect, then I will have some assembly over there. I will go over there and train everybody, and Logbullet story goes up. And of course it's for me 10 years in the 10 years before that in the other company, and now my next 10 years or longer time will be now this, I hope. Yeah, see you, bye.